Hello everyone, have you ever tried to mix coconut oil with coffee together, applying it on your face? Have you tried it yet? If you have not tried it before, please, this is the time to try it. You see wonders happening on your skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Here is my beauty channel. I share remedies, natural remedies that will help to revive your skin, rejuvenate your skin, make your skin flawless, make your skin glowing, make your skin younger. So in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So I'm going to show you a very simple way to achieve a younger skin. This is by using coffee and coconut oil mixing together with other ingredients. You see your skin looking more youthful. You want to appear more younger without going for surgery, without doing Botox, without going in a wrong way, like using harmful chemicals. Please try this remedy and you see it for yourself. You have to be consistent, of course, to see effects. So in case you are looking for, if you have somewhere you are going to, maybe you are going for an occasion, start applying this remedy from today. Look at this face now, purely natural. So that coffee that you use in making your tea can go a long way to help your skin in rejuvenating it, removing wrinkles and fine lines, and you love it. So I'm going to list the 4 ingredients I added in this treatment, and this is not joking, it helps greatly. So one of the ingredients I made use of is coffee. Use any brand, like I said earlier, they're all the same. Coffee contains antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage that makes you age faster, thereby slowing the aging process, removing fine lines gradually, removing wrinkles gradually until you don't see them no more. Yes, everyone will age, but you have to do it with style. You have to delay it. You have to look younger. In case you don't have wrinkles, you can be using this treatment to delay aging signs. So I don't have wrinkles, okay? There was a time that fine lines started developing around here. Some people in their 20s, fine lines will start appearing, deep wrinkles, eye wrinkles, forehead wrinkles. So even if you are 20 years old, you can be using this paste, applying it on your face to delay signs of aging. Coffee also helps to exfoliate your skin, removing dead skin cells that make you look dull. Dull skin, we don't need it. No one needs it. You need your skin to be vibrant. You need your skin to be bright. You need your skin to glow and look younger. And this paste will do all that. So you being religious with it, you see it working perfectly. So the next ingredient I made use of is oat powder. Yes, you have been following me, you will notice that I've been using oat powder. Not only that, sometimes I make use of rice flour, cornstarch or corn flour. I also make use of sugar. These are good exfoliants that helps to exfoliate your skin, to remove dead skin cells, also help to rejuvenate your skin. Like I'm making use of oat powder in this treatment because oat powder helps to suit irritated skin. It helps to get rid of dry skin by making your skin well hydrated and supple. It revives your skin. It gets rid of tired looking face or tired looking skin as a result of stress. If you are the type that don't sleep always, like you always lack sleep or you're always stressed up, please make use of this paste, apply it, you will see it for yourself. I forgot to mention that coffee also helps to dilate puffiness. It helps to get rid of puffy eyes. It helps to get rid of swollen face. Like it helps greatly for anything repairing. It repairs the skin. So another ingredient I made use of is aloe vera gel. So you can make use of plant aloe vera, like the one in the bush, like the one in your garden. So aloe vera gel generally helps to delay aging signs by hydrating your skin, by making sure your skin is supple. It gets rid of dry flaky skin. It revives your skin, like repairing damages like sunburn, pigmentations and all that. So you adding it in this treatment will go a long way to help your skin. So the last one is coconut oil. Okay, sometimes people ask me if coconut oil darkens the skin, if it's good for the facial skin. So if you get the wrong one, it can clog the pores. You can clog the pores if you don't get original one. Okay, so coconut oil is very good. Like it penetrates and repairs the skin. It delays signs of aging. It contains loads of nutrients that your skin needs to stay healthy always. You need your skin to be healthy. When you see a skin that is healthy, we're hydrated, we're moisturized, we're supple and not dried. You see it glowing, you see it looking rich. That is how to tell a healthy skin. So adding this, you'll be able to delay signs of aging. You'll be able to get rid of those wrinkles. So it's time to tell you the measurements. Okay, I added half tablespoon of coffee. Okay, half tablespoon of coffee will go a long way. Then I added 1 tablespoon of oat powder. Then after that, I added 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then I went ahead to add few drops of coconut oil. Like I always say, I have oily skin, so I don't usually use oil, but you know, everyone need oil. You need oil so that after this treatment your skin will not be dried out. If you are using exfoliating mask, or if you are using a scrub, anything that exfoliates your skin, you need to add few drops of oil so that it will not dry your skin out, so that it will nourish and protect your skin and make your skin look the best. All right, so just get the right quantities, few drops of oil, add it into this treatment, mix it. When your treatment is watery, please go on and add more of the oat powder. If your treatment is thick, go on and add more aloe vera gel. Okay, so just mix together until it forms a paste like this. So I'm going to wash off all makeups. Of course, I don't have makeup on my skin, so I'll just apply it, you know, and show you how it's done for best results. You can apply this treatment all over your body, especially your hands, to get rid of dry flaky hands, to get rid of dried feet. This helps to repair, like anything repairing. So with the help of a brush, I'm going to apply it all over my washed or cleansed face. So after applying it, I'm going to leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Sometimes I leave it on more than that. So this is to ensure it penetrates well and works better. So I'm going to leave it on for the right time. Wash it out. I'll be right back. Alright, so after washing this treatment off, you see how your skin will look clearer. You see how your skin will feel tighter. Yes, and that is because this treatment, when you apply it on your skin, leave it on to dry, you feel tightening effect. This will put your skin back together in place. Like if you have loose skin on your facial skin, it's going to be making it feel tighter, firmer. And also with consistency, you see that those wrinkles and fine lines will be slowly reducing gradually until you see them no more. This is why you have to be consistent, so do not be discouraged, so that you see maximum effect. Alright, so use this treatment 3 times weekly, or use it every day if you can for best result. Leave it for the right time to rinse it out, 15-20 minutes, and wash it out using a lukewarm water, and apply a light moisturizer to lock in moisture on your skin. Your skin will look so beautiful, your skin will look so flawless, your skin will look younger, and you feel younger and look younger. So go on and try it out. Use coffee mixed with coconut oil. You surely love it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.